This video demonstrates how to change the top rail for a standard sliding closet door. The complaint on this door is that it was hard to open and close, so let's take a look at what's going on. Whoa, that sure is a bumpy ride. But don't worry, everything's gonna be okay. Let's start by removing the doors, and to do that, we pull the bottom forward at about a 45-degree angle and lift up to release the wheels from the track. This is the top track that we are going to change. We're going to start by removing the screws holding the track in place. And once that last screw is removed, the track should be free to take down, and we can get a better look at what's going on. So this is the inside of the rail, right where the wheels that are attached to the top of the door sit, and you can see it's all bent and dented, and it's really no surprise these doors were having a heck of a time. So we're gonna head to Home Depot. I'm gonna find what we need for this repair down the hardware aisle. There's an entire section dedicated to closet door repairs, and I'm gonna purchase the 48-inch sliding door hardware set for $15.68. This is the new rail. You can see it's nice and smooth, and this is going to work great. So make sure you have this oriented the correct direction, and then just basically put it back exactly where the other one was. It comes with new screws in the set that we just bought, so I'm going to use those and fasten it into place. Once I get that last screw in place, it's time to put the doors back in. So again, we're going to come at it on a 45-degree angle, and we're going to hook the wheels into that rail and drop it into place, and then let the bottom of the door swing back into position. Once I get that second door into place, I'm going to test each door a couple of times back and forth to make sure that they're operating smoothly. There we go, and that's looking real good. So there's one last thing we have to do, and that's install the bottom track, which keeps the doors in line and prevents them from bumping into each other. It's pretty simple. It just screws right into the floor, and as you can see, it's pretty essential. So that just about does it for this repair. Ruh-roh. No loose ends. We're gonna have to take care of this hole that's in the floor. It looks like it's from where the old door guide was installed. So I'm just gonna grab some wood putty and smush it down in there. There we go. Wipe off the excess, and that's a professional job.
I'm the Happy Handyman, and if this video was helpful, consider subscribing to my channel for more practical home repair tips and tricks, and thanks for watching.